Hi, this is Nino and I'm from Saeco Coffee Machine. Today I'm going to show you how to do some weekly maintenance on the beautiful Phedra vending machine or coffee machine. This normally tasks need to be performed at least once a week in order to keep the machine up and running with no hiccup at all. So what I do, first I open up the coffee machine. Okay, so once this, make sure it's nice and dry. You put it back into the coffee machine. To put it back, this is how you do it. You hold this toggle and you put on position number 3, as you can see here. And this needs to go in. And I will remove the drip tray. Okay, first of all, I'm going to clean the chambers where the product will mix with the water. This normally might get blocked and basically what will happen, no product will come out. So in order to clean them, I'll show you first how to remove them. Let's see the 3 steps. This is 1, 2, 3. This is last bit that you normally remove it. 4. Normally you will find, like in here you can see, some residual product stuck or dry, and this will stop eventually the product or the solution going through. So what I do, I bring them to the sink. We wash them. And it is very important, once they're washed, they have to be nice and dry. Make sure you clean them, especially in here. You can even use a scara if you notice they are fully very blocked. Just get a dry rag or chuck. Make sure they're nice and dry. Okay. Now we put them back. Okay. That's how they go. This is the first bit that goes through. Make sure you push them in properly, otherwise it will not lock into place. One. This is very important because this is the water inlet, so make sure first you push in the water inlet and then push it down. Make sure this one still stay locked in position. Wash it back. And this is the last bit. Okay, same procedures will apply for the next chambers, which is here. Now, at least once a month is recommended that you also clean the brew unit, which is this. To remove the brew unit, just pull it out, detach the hose from here. This is where the coffee is actually coming from. And what I normally do, I put it straight in the sink and wash thoroughly. one is quite clean, so I'm not using any soap. But normally you can even use some soap or detergent to wash it. So once this mixture is nice and dry, you put it back into the coffee machine. To put it back, this is how you do it. You hold this toggle and you put on position number 3, as you can see here. And this needs to go inside there. Okay, line them up, put it back in position, on. Put this one back, here, you zip try back in, and we can now shut the machine. Okay, this is all. For more information, you can find us on www.espressoitalia.com.au.